Okay, so in this video we'll be looking how you can do one-click upsells and downsells, but not only that, you'll also show you how you can do upsells when you add to cart and before you do a checkout. So these are two amazing ways to increase your order value tremendously. It can increase them more than 50% in some cases. So first of all, let's look into the one-click upsells and downsells, which is super easy and amazingly simple, really. So when you have a checkout page, so a checkout page is a page where you have the checkout widget. The system will automatically knows that this is a checkout, and it will indicate with this button at the bottom. So when you click on this button, it will ask you to add a pop-up or a page that you can do the upsell there. So let's select a page, and by default it will open up the upsells and downsells. So these are designs that we specifically made. They're perfect for upsells because they contain the upsell widget, a widget that is only available on the upsell page. So you have different options, like one product, multiple products with ratings, with all sorts of different designs. But let's say, I don't know, maybe let's say this kind of design for this upsell. Let's go with upsell and just click add. So it created this page, and actually I closed it, but by default when you add an upsell, it will ask you to select the product that you want to upsell, which is basically opening the upsell and downsell widget, which is a set of two buttons, which is the option to buy it and the option to decline the offer. So when you click on the button, you have the option to select the product that you want to upsell. So let's say yoga for newbies, and just click on confirm. And here you can also override the pricing. So by default it will be the pricing of the product that is in store, but if you want to sell it in a lower pricing, you can just override and type in whatever pricing you want to sell this product for. So as you can see, it's very flexible. You can select what kind of a messaging you want to have for the button, and if you want to add decline button or remove it. And you also option to be next to each other. So you have this all sorts of different modifications. Option to modify the styling of the buttons and adjust the alignment. So let's keep it like this, and let's upsell this product. That's it, with one click. And you also have the option to add another one, which would be a downsell. So they're they're upsell, downsell. So they're switching with each step that you add. And yeah, you can add a downsell and see how it is, but it is basically the same way. You select the downsell, the product that you want to downsell, let's say this one, and you can click on add. Now here you can pre-select the other product as well that you want to downsell just by clicking on the button. And actually this is not a downsell button, so we can just show it here. You have the upsell and downsell button that you can add to the design. Select the product that you want to downsell, and have it like this, and maybe select the option to be one next to each other and align them to the left. And this is how simple it is to add your own button to your own downsell or upsell section, and click on save. Now if we go into the landing page, and well, actually let's go to the checkout right away. We can skip the add this option. So we already have the products from the previous step, and we also have added our information. We have the products that we added here, so our order is for $230 in this case, and let's complete the order. And as you can see, the first thing that they see is not the thank you page, but is the upsell and downsell, which is this step. So before they get to the thank you, they'll go to this flow, and now they have the option to buy the product that we've added as a upsell. Obviously the upsell page can be fully customizable, and as you can see, the order is already made, $330. And now we can make it so that if we purchase here, it will actually add the value of the other product with just one click. Nothing of adding again information or anything like that. You just buy it right away. So if you click on it, it purchases it and it goes to the thank you page, which is this tab. So now if we all close and open, you see the $50 product that we upsold was purchased. And if we go into the sales analytics, we will see that the actual order is 330 plus the $50 upsell. And you can actually see that here. You can see that we provided this upsell that we've sold. And you can see we have 100% success because one person landed and one person purchased the product. So yeah, really cool and nice analytics. And the downsell would be very much the same. So if you have this option, well, actually now we don't have anything in our cart because we already purchased, so we can just go into the first tab and let's buy this product, go again and add some information, add some name, and go and check out. We have the $80 product, complete order. And now again we have the upsell and downsell, the upsell in this case, but let's show the downsell this time. And if you select no thanks, you go into the downsell instead of the thank you. So it skips, it goes to the next step. And here we can purchase the downsell or decline it. So we click on buy now, we go to the thank you page, and if we preview the funnel, you see that we have a downsell now. It doesn't show the visits because we are doing that in a test URL, so it will not show unless you use the actual URL of the funnel. So this is just a test, that's why it shows 0 people have visited. And if you go to the upsells and downsells, you see that you now have 100%, you have 10% and $10 purchase of a downsell. And yeah, you can see the information about upsells, downsells, the products that you've sold in general in the funnel. So it is really simple to do all these amazing upsells and downsells in a really simple way with one click. And let's do it so that in this funnel I can show you as well how you can do an upsell upon adding something to the cart. So this is a different type of upsell, which is pretty cool as well. So when somebody adds something to the cart, when you go into the settings here and select the option where you actually select what kind of a product you want to sell, you have the option for another action. So here you can actually select a pop-up, for example, a pop-up to show when somebody adds to cart. So this can be a pop-up with another product, a set of products that you want to upsell them. In this case, let's just open up any type of pop-up. We have a few here created. I don't even know how it looks, but just to see that when somebody adds to cart, it actually opens up the pop-up as well. So if we go here, click, and you see that you added it to the checkout cart, but you also show this pop-up, which in this case is just a lead generation one. But if you just edit the pop-up with a product, you can just have again add to the order or cancel it, so you can continue with reviewing your page, or simply a button go to checkout directly. So this is how simple and easy it is to do an upsell to when you add to cart, or the one-click upsells and downsells, which are so powerful. As you can see, they can increase the value of your checkout tremendously, so you can connect products and sell them really easy. And the pop-up itself, if you're wondering how you can create or edit a pop-up, all you have to do is go to the pages section, and you have the pop-ups here next to the pages. In this case, we show this pop-up, to which you can fully customize. You can add a product, you can build out the product itself, add a button for a purchase of a product, or just use the store widget and pre-select what kind of products you want to showcase there. Let's just select the physical product, and that's it. You have one product selected, and you can sell it right away or upsell in this case, for whenever clicks this button. In this way you can create your own all your pop-ups for different use cases, upsell for this product, upsell for that product, for this one, and it's very easy, and it's fully customizable the way you want. So this is how simple it is to build your funnel with multiple products and to do one-step checkouts in a simple way. You can also do A/B testing as well to test out different ways and how they might be converting better, of course, and how to do a simple pop-up upsell. And I hope that you enjoy them. I think it's really powerful and simple, so that anybody can create it. It doesn't require anything, as you can see. For 5-10 minutes you can set up upsells, and they can have sometimes generate you thousands and thousands of extra dollars that you could have missed if you haven't upsold certain products for your visitors and customers. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed it, and of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate